Good morning, everybody, and happy Fun Friday. It is so much fun to see all the colors of the rainbow. You look amazing. I know that it's going to be a great day today as we celebrate kindness and all of the things that we've learned so far. Remember, 5th grade taught us about caring, or reminded us. 4th grade reminded us about gratitude. And 3rd grade is going to be reminding us about something else.
All right, good morning, everybody. And I have to admit, from right here, the colors look pretty fantastic. I really love it. All right, our word for February, you can believe that, halfway through the school year now, is integrity. And you're going to help us out today. So after I say a line, after each of our 3rd grade friends say a line, we're all going to say, that's integrity. Our 3rd grade friends should know this, and they should be ready to go. All right. So integrity is doing the right thing, even when it's hard, or when nobody is looking.
That's integrity. When you put a library book back in the correct place after looking at it. That's integrity. When you pick up the paper off the floor even if it's not yours. That's integrity. When the whistle blows at recess, you stop putting it away and demonstrate you want.
Integrity is acting in a way you know to be right and kind in all situations. Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much for all your help.
All right, thank you, 3rd grade. I heard ways to show integrity at lunch, at recess, and I've seen a lot of integrity right here during the assembly and up and around here. Thank you for not talking when other people are talking. All right, specialists. It's time for our specialist awards for this month. And our night.
All right. This month for inclusiveness, we chose a class that makes sure that all the students get a chance to participate when we do activities, which most classes do a really good job with. So it was a little challenging for Ms. Lynch and I to choose, but we decided to go with Ms. Harlow's kindergarten class.
in the cafeteria and outside at recess, and for being kind and clean in the lunchroom. Goes to 2nd grade, Miss Woolridge's class.
The Big Night Award goes to a class that does a great job in the cafeteria. They they quiet down when we're on the microphone and they leave their area clean, it goes to 4th grade Mrs. Grant's
Inclusiveness in PE, Coach Gregory and I have decided that Miss Hill's first grade class is
And for the library integrity award, I have chosen the 3rd grade class because they did such a stunning job of making sure everybody feels like they have a place. Mr. Monty. My goodness, I have to tell you, when I carried this purple box to the stage for the stairs this morning, it is very, very heavy. Because it is full of kind cards, which tells me that you are doing all of these wonderful things about being caring and inclusive and showing integrity and all the things that we want and we do here at Shoals Heights. So, there's so many in here, oh my goodness. I'm gonna draw 2. All right, it looks like Reese in 3rd grade. I think this one picked me. All right. Emily in Miss Strobel's class. All right. And 4. I'm going to draw one more kind card for the staff member or teacher winner. Let's see who's going to win. Oh, the teacher winner is Mrs. Huber. I'm very excited. All right. I know that we're going to have a very great Friday, but we're going to end our assembly with our school song, and we're very lucky to have Eddie and Mr. Jeff Quest's class playing.
The piano. There you go. Right. Under one sky, we're a family under one sky. We're all a family under one sky. We're a family under one sky. We're parents and teachers too. We're ISC.